To meteorologist Jennifer Lambers. Hey, Jen.
Hello, Chelsea. Well, good morning to everyone else out there as well, because what we're starting off with is some sunshine to begin this morning. Things look nice out there. We're starting to see some of that cloud cover just further off towards the west. More of that possible to start off for this morning. We'll begin to see more sunshine by this afternoon and this evening. Looking in just a little bit closer, we did start off with some patchy to dense fog for today. A lot of that beginning to clear out at this time. Calm and quiet. You can start to see some of that green out there. That's not rain. Instead, that's mainly just going to be some of that humidity picking up, possibly even some birds out there as well. But taking a look at temperatures currently, we're starting to see more of those mid to upper 60s beginning to make an appearance. Already lower 70s out there at Mobile Regional. Our inland spots still a bit on the cooler side, resting in the lower 60s. But over the next few hours, temperatures beginning to warm up. We are not going to be feeling like we're at the mid to end of October. Instead, we're feeling more like the middle of September at this time, staying well above average heading into the remainder of your afternoon, but staying dry, staying quiet. And so by this evening, temperatures dipping down to the mid 70s by the time that we get closer towards 7 o'clock. Now, in case you're heading on down towards the beach, things look nice for it, especially with these warmer temperatures. Do just be cautious. However, rip current risks are low today. However, heading into tomorrow and Wednesday, that bumps up to high. Really expecting that surf height to get closer towards that 2 to 4 foot range by tomorrow and continuing on into midweek. Now, coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast. These above average temperatures, unfortunately, are here to stay. I'll be breaking down those details, plus what's going on in the tropics. All that's coming up soon. Chelsea.
A check of the weather. Jen, it's warmer this week. Well, it feels like it at least.
Oh, it's warmer. It is warmer across the Gulf Coast. And you know what? Those warmer temperatures, they are here to stay. But taking a look out at the eastern shore, looking towards downtown Mobile, that visibility is still a little bit lower out there. We're still starting to see some of that patchy fog just lingering around. But that'll mix out as we head further on into the rest of this morning. Traffic moving smoothly on the Bayway. Now, temperatures out there right now resting in the upper 60s. Dew points lower 60s. So beginning to see more of that humidity also sticking around. Heading into the rest of today, daytime high is going to be maxing out really in the mid 80s. We'll start to see some peaks of sunshine out there, but partly cloudy skies, calm southeasterly winds. But those winds are also contributing to that rise in humidity out there. So they were maxing out in the mid 80s. Could be feeling just a little bit warmer out there. Now, checking in on the drought monitor, just a reminder that this map does update every Thursday. Still beginning to see some of those severe and extreme conditions out there. Just be cautious. Don't be burning anything outdoors. If you have a fire pit, if you're grilling outside, just make sure everything is completely put out. Dump some water on it once you're finished. Now, tracking the tropics at this time, two areas that we're monitoring. One is going to be an area of low pressure expected to move closer towards Nicaragua by the time we get closer into tomorrow. Moderate chances of development, but really that time frame over the water is what's keeping it not as high at this time. Regardless, it's going to be pushing off towards the southwest and to the Pacific heading into midweek. So moving away from us, the Gulf is quiet, and then we have Hurricane Tammy. Right now, the sustained winds 80 miles per hour, tracking north at 10 miles per hour, moving away really from the Leeward Islands, expected to keep that Cat 1 strength until we get into the end of the week, and that's when it's expected to develop into that area of low pressure before moving into Bermuda, just bringing in the potential for some increased rain chances. Other than that, Gulf's quiet. U.S. is looking nice as we dive deeper into the rest of hurricane season, which goes until November 30th. Now, coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, what you can expect for the full work week. All of that's coming up in just a little bit.